Yeah. Stop. Booba. Yeah. Eat the booba. Oh, no, Jelana, don't give it to her. Don't. You're not even a dentist. Only. Oh, I didn't touch it. Nobody touch it. I did not touch it. You took out the dictionary. Stop. La, Jade, I don't like that word. I don't like that word, Jade. I don't want your smart mouth. La.
I'm not going to be repeated. You know?
Jade, control your mouth. Oo, mahirap na. Walang time maglinis-linis. Open your mouth. Say ah. You're gonna go to the dentist soon. Ah, say ah.
No, it's your turn.
Jade.
I didn't know that. Did you know that?
Ayan. Thank you, Sophia. Okay, bye. Clean her teeth now. Salamat. Anong ulam? Diyos ko.
Occupation that sells old things such as rare old books.
Oh, sarap ah. Adobong manok ah.
Yeah, it is. A-N-T. No. Because there's a Q in it.
Get off me, chocolate mouth.
Hey! Sandali lang guys ah. Iwan ko lang to. Don't touch it, Jelana. I need to do this one.
Occupation that investigates complaints in an official capacity.